Hello, I'm Dr. Ramya from Vellore. I'm working in a corporate hospital there. For me, this course has helped in gaining knowledge right from the basics to advanced infertility workup and management of cases. We had 9 months of theory classes and they have been very informative. Lecture that was taken on a weekly basis was very thoughtful and very meticulously taken, where all the topics was covered, and they even gave time at the end of the class to clear our doubts. And they were also approachable even after class hours to take our doubts. After 9 months of theory, we had simulation classes here at the center in Bangalore. This was also a good hands-on experience. We have learned multiple ovum pickups in difficult case scenarios, right from picking up minimal to maximum number of oocytes. Also how to perform intrauterine inseminations, embryo transfers, and also hysteroscopy. With this, we were also given insight about how our exams would be. Both a pre and a post test was also conducted, which helped us to identify what topics we did not know and how much we had learned through the course. And Dr. Shantala was around, and she was very thoughtful in coming and taking classes and explaining some of the topics again to us. Dr. Dilip, who took about a short session on andrology, and we were hoping that we would probably have more classes from him with respect to embryology as well. I felt that my knowledge regarding management of infertility cases was lacking. So I needed to learn about that. I think it would greatly impact on the way that I have been managing previously and now. Now that I have more expansive information regarding how to evaluate, treat and follow up infertility cases, I think I would be probably doing a much better clinical experience with the course that I've taken. I would like to thank the whole institution of Medline Academics and especially Dr. Kamini Rao for having put together such a wonderful course, and that's helping practitioners not just in India but all over the world. Thank you very much, ma'am.